Clover balloon tutorial. Leave 5 fingers width at the tail end. Twist a single bubble 6 fingers long. Twist another identical one. You'll need 6 single bubbles of the same length. After twisting, connect the ends. Release the excess air. Tie and secure. Trim the neck. Take another long balloon and attach it at the node. Pair and twist into a 3-leaf shape. Twist a 2-finger single bubble. Wrap a single bubble through the middle, cross and wrap at the knot. Next, twist a 2-finger single bubble to secure. Make sure to repeat the process for the other 2 petals. Twist a 2-finger single bubble to serve as the flower's center. Next, twist 2 single bubbles to form a lock twist. Next, twist a single bubble to form a barrier knot. Adjust the shape of the balloon. There you have it, a clover.